Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at Nova, which is a brand new trading bot that's just come on the scene recently with some really cool features that we're going to take a look at in just a minute. I've noticed a lot of traders switching over to Nova recently, and I've actually had it recommended to me a few times in my Telegram chat, and people have had some really great feedback, which I'll probably put on the screen right now. So I thought I'd take a look and see what all the hype is about. I'm going to do a quick overview of all the features Nova has to offer in this video, and then in the near future I'll do some more videos talking in more detail about each specific feature. First of all, there is currently a waiting list for Nova, but if you use my affiliate link in the pinned comment, not only will you support my next trip to the Maldives, you will also skip that waiting list and get access right away. Anyway, once you're in, you'll create your first Nova wallet. Of course, make sure to store your private key in a safe and secure place. You will need that private key to export to any external wallet like Phantom. Once you've done that, you can go back to the main menu and see all of your options, which I'll now go through one by one. First of all, we have the regular buy option. That's fairly self-explanatory. You just go over and copy a contract address, paste it in here, set your desired slippage down here. Then you've got your preset buy amounts, or you can click the X Sol button and type in a custom Sol amount to buy. Just be aware that it will buy immediately as soon as you click one of the buttons or send a custom amount. If you want to adjust your fees for normal buying and selling, you need to go into settings from the main menu. Then you can set your desired fees. Obviously, as with any other bot, higher fees will process your transaction faster. Moving on the buy page, you can also set up limit orders if you like. Just paste the contract address, click limit order, choose a wallet and the buy amount, set a trigger. You can use either a market cap, a price level, or you can trigger a buy when the dev sells their tokens. Set everything else up how you like and then you're good to go. Next up we have the sniper feature. You can use this to either snipe migrating pump.fun tokens or new radium pools. Now, I'll be totally honest with you, I haven't really figured out this feature yet, but I will. For now, let's move on to the copy trading option. This is a very powerful feature which allows you to copy all of the trades from any Solana wallet you choose. To do that, you just click New Task to create a copy trading task, paste the wallet address you'd like to copy, then we configure all the options for this task. Something I really like about Nova is you can set up multiple different wallets and you can have different wallets assigned to different tasks all running at the same time. Let me just quickly show you how that would work. We've got this copy trading task, which is task 1 set up here with this wallet labeled W1. Now, if we want to, we can go back to the tasks page and create a new task. You can then paste in a different wallet address that you want to copy. Then in our options here, we can click the wallet button and select W2, which is my second wallet. Now we can configure this separately and have this running at the same time as task 1 is running on the other wallet, which is really helpful for managing your risk and just makes it a bit easier to analyze how each trader is doing individually. Moving swiftly on, however, another very powerful tool we have here is Nova AFK. What this does is automatically buys into new pump.fun or radium tokens as soon as they launch based on your filters. And just like the copy trading, you can also set up multiple tasks with multiple different wallets. So you could potentially have one wallet set up copying pump.fun tokens and one copying new radium tokens. Or of course, if you prefer, you can just have multiple tasks using the same wallet. For both pump.fun and radium, there's a bunch of different filters you can choose from. For example, with pump.fun tasks, you can blacklist certain devs. So if you come across a dev that's rugging a lot, you can just blacklist them and your bot won't buy their tokens anymore. You've also got the option to blacklist specific tickers. For example, if there's a token that does really well one day, you tend to get a bunch of clones popping up immediately after, which always rug. Now on radium tasks, you can also set the minimum LP burn, supply, market cap, top 10 holding percentage, as well as both the dev and ticker blacklist features, and a couple of other things which of course I will cover in my main Nova copy trading video. Moving on again, we have the auto buy feature. This one's fairly simple. When auto buy is turned on, you can paste in a contract address and the bot will automatically buy a preset amount of that token based on the rules that you have chosen. For example, if we click add rule, It will ask you to enter a minimum market cap, let's say 300k randomly, then a maximum market cap, let's say maybe 30 million. Then you enter your buy amount, say 0.1 or something. Completely random numbers, not recommending those numbers. Anyway, so once that's done, that has created a rule. So now when auto buy is enabled, if you send the bot a contract address of any token with a market cap between 300k and 30 million, you would immediately buy 0.1 sol of that token, which is a great feature to have if you're scanning pump.fun or bullx or something and you're trying to get into tokens really quickly. You can just paste in a contract address and you'll buy a set amount straight away. Alright, finally we have Nova Click. This is a Chrome extension which allows you to buy directly on a DEX like Bullx or Photon while using Nova's servers for the faster transaction speeds. So to use NovaClick, of course you'll need to be signed up to Nova with the link below. Then you'll want to go over to a DEX like Bullx Neo and import your wallet from Nova using the private key that you got at the start. If you do need to find the private key again, you can just go to Settings from the main menu, then Wallets and Export Private Key. Once you've done that, you can go back to Nova, and on the main menu you'll see the option for Nova Click. When you click on that, that'll give you the link to install the Chrome extension. Once you've installed it, you can now go back to your DEX, then go up to your extensions and enable Nova Click. Straight away you should notice the extra purple buttons everywhere. Those are your Nova Quick Buy buttons. When you click those buttons, they will buy immediately through Nova if you have a quick buy amount set up, which you can do in the extension. If we click into a token, again you'll see the extra purple buttons which you can toggle between quick buying and quick selling. You should also see the Nova panel, which you can enable or disable from the extension. If you're not signed up to Nova yet, you can do so using my link in the pinned comment to skip the waiting list. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss the next ones. If you do have any questions about Nova, the quickest way you can reach me is through my Telegram, which I'll have linked down in the description. Anyway, that's all for now folks. I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.